outside though.
It's really fun.
It's like fun.
You kind of have to curl. That's really funny.
Yeah, you can't sit straight.
Head first, dude.
Lay on your belly.
Head first.
Wood chips.
We're gonna get kicked out here pretty soon. Security's onto us.
You should go down backwards.
It's funny if you go like that.
Go backwards.
Yeah, you might.